Hi, this is Dennis Orcutt, MarineMax Lake Wylie. Today we're going to look at a NauticStar 193 SC. This is a 2020 edition. Let's take a closer look. This boat comes equipped with a 115 Yamaha 4-stroke outboard engine. We got a tow bar. There's a rear entry ladder. Full gauges on this boat. Infinity stereo. Simrad. Plenty of storage in this boat. There's a scupper. Lots of storage underneath. This boat even comes with a sink. Plenty of storage under the helm of the built-in cooler. And plenty of storage up front. It also has a bow ladder. Anchor storage. Great boat. If this is a boat that you'd like to see more of, my name's Dennis Orcutt, MarineMax Lake Wylie, 803-831-2101. Thanks a lot for watching.